What is going on, guys? Welcome back to yet another video. I know it feels like forever since I've been standing here doing this. I think almost a year now, which is actually ridiculous. It feels like yesterday that I was just making the video on the PWR radiator for the Type R. But today we have something very special to talk about. I have one of the first Remark twin loop exhausts for the FK8 sitting in the garage right over there on the other side of me. And we're gonna go ahead and install it. So I picked up the exhaust for the FK8 about 2 days ago. It just came out. I was looking at the Remark website. I've been watching this exhaust for a while, probably since somewhere around like late January, deciding on if I wanted to get it. And I was rolling through the LA area yesterday. No, not yesterday, 2 days ago. By this video, time this video goes up, maybe like, I don't know, less than a week-ish, somewhere in there. And I saw that it was available now, so I gave them a call and was like, hey, do you guys have any of these in stock? And they're like, yeah, we do. So I rolled by, picked it up, managed to fit it in the Golf somehow, I don't know. Even with all the other stuff I had in there, and drove home from LA with the exhaust. And so today we are going to be installing it on the Type R here. I am ecstatic about this, and I can't wait to show you guys how it sounds, because there are currently no videos online about how it sounds. Of course, I do have a downpipe, so it's gonna sound a little bit different, but nonetheless, let's get to it. Here's how the exhaust comes packaged. 2 separate boxes. This will be for the midsection. This is definitely going to be the rear section that goes in the back of the car. And so I'm going to cut these open real quick, probably set my phone up behind me, do a quick time lapse of me opening it, and then I'll show you guys what the exhaust looks like off the car. Now here's everything out of the box. Comes very well packaged, as you can see, fit nice and tight in the boxes. I believe this is going to be the mid section. This is probably going to connect to the front pipe. There's the front pipe, and of course the rear section. Now that is one part that is very unique about this Remark exhaust, is that it actually includes a front pipe. All of the other Remark exhausts connect to the stock front pipe. So they have the portion where it connects to the front pipe, where it goes from 2.5 inches to 3 inches, whereas this exhaust is a 3-inch straight through. So you get the front pipe, goes all the way back, and I'm super excited about that because it's a straight through design with no restrictions. So you're going from the larger section of the downpipe straight to the 3-inch and then all the way back. A lot of other exhausts on the market, you have the 3-inch front pipe if you choose to buy one, but then it goes down to that 2.5 restriction before reopening into 3-inch. So that can cut down a little bit of resonant frequencies, but it also creates like a mute point for your exhaust, where it has to restrict before it can reopen the flow, and it's better to have just like a straight through flow. So I will shut up, stop talking about the exhaust. I'm gonna go ahead and unpackage all of the stuff. I'm sure you don't really care to see that. And then I will show you it in all of its glory. We'll take the exhaust that's off the car right now and then slap this one on. Here we are. This thing is an absolute piece of art. Look at these welds. Just fantastic. And you have even the little Remark R in between the mufflers. Just amazing. A few more welds for you guys. Just looks like a mess of pipes right now, but once it's on the car, it's gonna look absolutely amazing. I've made an unfortunate mistake. I forgot my S2000 was already on the jack stands, and I only have 2 of them. I really need to go buy more, but I'm lazy and I don't want to right now. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna work like piece by piece on the Type R, and then jack up the other side and work piece by piece and hope for the best. So it's gonna be a little bit of a funky looking video, but I have 2 jacks at least, so that'll be nice. So I'm gonna get the back end, like start from the back and then work my way forward all the way up to the front pipe. But yeah, let's go ahead and do it. All right, I've got the Type R jacked up on the jacks here. We do have pretty good visibility down here for most of the exhaust, so I can at least get the rear section off and this section on and mated together, and then all the way down there I'm probably gonna have to jack up the front of the car, but let's get to it. All right, y'all, quick update. Hope you're enjoying the grassroots style media here. I have moved on to the front. I have removed the rear section of the exhaust. As you can see, there's nothing there, just open hole. It's kicking my butt. Slip fit exhausts are definitely not the move. This one's been on here for like 3 years now, probably. And I'm tired. I'm gonna grab a cup of water and I'm gonna keep working. I was gonna do a time lapse, but it's just not working out. It kind of turned into me talking this whole time. So let me see if I can like kind of switch it up a little bit. Sick. Check me out, guys. I got 2 right-handed gloves. Whack. Rule number 1 when you're installing exhausts, never tighten it all the way. You're gonna need some wiggle room. Oh, stop, God dang it. Stupid gloves. Ah, it sucks. Come on, glove, come on, glove, come on, glove. Oh, use the other hand, I guess. All right, guys, check this out. I just got the car on the ground. Exhaust is on. It looks so good. Here's what it looks like on the car. This is from the back. Got both the canisters, the twin loop, and it just looks fantastic going all the way back. I mean, just everything about it. The materials, the welds, perfect. Got the Remark logo right on top. The tips are not adjustable, which is a little bit unfortunate, but they did such a good job lining it up that they almost just don't even need to be. Look at that. Beautiful. Just one of the best exhausts for the FK8. I am stoked to hear how this thing sounds. I didn't even get to hear it before I bought it. They didn't have any sound clips, and the one car that they installed it on had a downpipe already, but it wasn't there when I picked up mine, so I didn't get to hear it. They're going to be releasing sound clips soon, probably after me, but mine will of course have the downpipe. Theirs will not have the downpipe. They were adamant about releasing their sound on a car that didn't have it, since that was their sort of their target, but like they made it so that it would be compatible with cars with downpipes as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean myself up. My hands are a little dirty, and start it up for the first time, and I'll let you guys take a quick peek. Sorry to tease you guys like that, but you know, kind of had to. It's just how it goes. I'll be making a full, oh, there's a piece of dirt on my head. Nice. Full exhaust video on the new Remark Twin Loop. It'll be out next week. Hopefully you guys will see this video tomorrow on Saturday. And I'll try to have that video out this week. I'll spend some time tomorrow getting some exhaust clips. Gotta do, you know, a little bit of a break-in first, since it's literally been turned on twice. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please stay subscribed and updated. I can't wait for more things that are gonna come with this car, and I have a new build coming to the channel. There'll be a lot of coverage. It's gonna be fantastic. So don't forget to subscribe for the updates. Like this video if you liked it. Drop a comment down below on stuff you wanna see. And can't wait for more time on the YouTube channel. So thanks again for watching. Peace out, guys.